Toy Corner, and today I've got the amazing SGILE car. This amphibious radio controlled car works on land, water and snow. It has a full 360 function. It works on almost every surface. You got 50 meters on land and 20 on water. This means that you can have hours of fun. It comes in the amazing green, which is my favourite. You also have blue and red. It comes with a 17 minutes battery life. In the box you get a battery pack, USB and controller. Currently on offer at $32.99, and I'll have a 10% discount code, link in the description. You got excellent ground clearance, sleek body design, an amazing bright colour scheme. Look at the amazing molded tyres. And as the tyres are bigger than the car, it means the car works upside down. You don't have to worry about it catching. So normally with an RC car, a drop of rain means you have to end your play. But with this amphibious new model from SGILE, you can keep playing, driving into that snow and water, and you don't have to worry about it breaking. An ideal Christmas present this year. It has to be one of the best value RC cars out there. Them tyres just remind me of rocket boosters. Before we go outside, let me show you how quick it can spin indoors. This car is awesome. Land, water, stunts. Can handle anything. So when you get it home, you just need to unplug the battery, remove the drainage covers, and it's good to go. And remember, there's a 10% discount code in the description. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And bye.